Hello everyone, Michael with the Volo Auto Museum here to let you know about the fabulous 1950s sale that we're going to have starting from now until the end of 2025. It's going to include free shipping to the lower 48 states for select 1950s inventory featured in this video. Well, we got a lot of great cars to check out, so without further delay, let's get started. First up is this gorgeous 1957 Ford Fairlane Skyliner that has a top quality restoration by Jerry Miller. It features lots of options including power seats, power windows, dual spotlight mirrors, and a Continental kit. And it's one of my favorites. This next one was built for speed. It's a 1957 Chevy 150 utility sedan, and it's a stripped down lightweight factory racer. It has a rear seat delete, radio delete, clock delete, and lighter delete. On top of all that, it's packing the 283 Fuelie under the hood and a 3-speed manual to have a little fun. Here's one you don't see every day. It's a 1958 Chevy Del Rey, and it's loaded with a bunch of go-fast goodies, including a 348 V8 with tri-power, 4-speed manual, and a 411 Posi Outback. On top of that, it has a complete and meticulous rotisserie restoration. Check out this 1958 Chevy Impala. It's got a 348 with tri-power under the hood and a 4-speed manual. It also has one of my favorite color combinations in the entire museum. Check out that interior. All right, next we got this gorgeous 1956 Chevy 3100 pickup. It's not only a show truck with lots of custom bodywork, but it's also an all-day cruiser with a crate 350 under the hood, 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission, air conditioning, power steering, and 4-wheel disc brakes. How about this 1955 Chevy Bel Air convertible? It's loaded with options including headlight dimmer, viewfinder, tissue dispenser, and more. Imagine the wind blowing through your hair cruising this one. How about this 1956 Ford Custom Line? It's a beautiful all-day cruiser that's not going to break the bank. It's got a 302 V8 under the hood, automatic overdrive transmission, power steering with rack and pinion, 4-wheel power disc brakes, and a beautiful custom interior. And don't forget to check out all the pictures, details, and full descriptions at our website, volocars.com. That's VOLOCARS.com. Would you check out all the chrome on this car? It's a 1956 Ford Sunliner, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I love the cattle guards that they have here, the dual spotlights, the fingernail protectors, and the Continental kit. Definitely give it a long, hard look. How about this 1957 Chevy 210? It's been totally modernized with a gorgeous custom interior and beautiful Patriot Red Pearl paint. Not only that, it's a real driver too, with a crate 350 under the hood that has ramjet injection and a 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission. Check out the stunning frame-off restoration on this 1956 Ford Victoria. It was born with a 312 T-Bird Special, and how can you go wrong with those nice wide white walls and a genuine leather interior? All right, here's a rare car and one of my favorites too. It's a 1957 Chrysler New Yorker convertible, and they only made just over 1,000 of them. It's got a 392 Hemi under the hood, automatic transmission, and this cloud white paint makes me think about the cloud you'll be riding on when you're cruising to your next car show. Up next is this 1959 Austin Healey 3000. It has a gorgeous ground-up restoration, 6-cylinder with dual carbs under the hood, 4-speed manual transmission with overdrive, plus those gorgeous chrome wire wheels and genuine leather upholstery. All right, everybody, that's a wrap for our fabulous 1950s sale showroom tour. Don't forget, you're going to get free shipping on any one of the cars featured in this video to the lower 48 states from now through December 31st, 2025. We certainly hope you guys enjoyed yourself, and thanks for watching.